Well, I've moved on down to Fort Myers, Florida. I was going to complain a little bit about the weather. Show you what's going on here. Just so you see it, this is Fort Myers and Fort Myers Bum. And we got the fountains. I'm down at the waterfront. As you can see by the bridge, it's not real sunny. It's kind of gray, kind of cloudy, foggy. And I was going to complain about this, except for one thing. I looked up the weather forecast for Portland, Tennessee. Yeah, it's going to be 18 degrees tomorrow for a high or something like that. And I decided, you know what, I'll take the 70 and I'll take a great day out here. So I might not be going to the beach, but I'll definitely be door dashing. And it might be a good day to make money rather than play. So we're going to go that route, but I've moved a little bit closer to the Keys, which is really where I want to get at some point. And at this point, look, I'm getting close, people. Well, right there. Oh, right there, right there. Oh, wait, let me use that finger. Right there. Anyway, so I'm getting closer and closer. I'm loving the trip. It's nice. I slept in a parking lot last night, and it was not a Planet Fitness. It was some other gym. And amazingly enough, I'm not the only one sleeping in. Yeah. You know, and there's three, like I say, same thing. 3 people in there working out and 25 people sleeping in the parking lot. Oh, well, I gotta tell you, not a lot of motivation in this world, I tell you what. But anyways, it's been a good trip down last night. I made a few bucks, not a lot, but, well, that's pretty much it for today. We'll holler at you later. Take care.